Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment, subscribe. It's free, and click on the bell notification button so that you can get notified anytime we post a new video. You can also share our video with your friends. Have you heard about the Argungu Festival, the biggest fishing festival in Nigeria? I will tell you more about the festival in this video. Argungu Fishing Festival is an annual 4-day festival celebrated between February and March every year. In northwestern part of northern Nigeria, the region is made up of fertile area of much irrigation and orchards. The majority of fishermen are followers of Islam and also predominantly farmers. Kanta Museum is the main historical center in Argungu for visitors across the globe. People from around the world travel to Argungu just to witness the occasion. The main purpose of this Argungu Fishing Festival is for fishing and unity. The festival usually takes 4 days of cultural events. The festival began in the year 1934 as a mark of the centuries-old hostility between the Sokoto Caliphate and the Kebbi Kingdom. The festival has brought huge progress to the development of the state as a whole. Argungu, as it is usually called, a fishing frenzy festival. The festival is celebrated to mark the beginning of the fishing season in Argungu, a riverside town in Kebbi State. In the year 2005, the winning fish weighed 75 kg and needed 4 men to hoist it onto the scale. In the year 2006, the festival banned fishing due to safety concerns relating to the lower water levels. The importance of the festival is to the economy has led the government to conserve fish stock by prohibiting the use of gill nets and cast nets. There are different activities done during Argungu Festival, which most of them are the canoe races, craft showcases, agricultural showcases, cultural activities, wrestling matches, musical performance, and many more. A grand fishing conquest, swimming contest. On the final day of the festival, competition is held in which thousands of men line up along the river, and at the sound of the gunshot, all of them jump into the river and have an hour to catch the largest fish. This is all about Argungu Fishing Festival. We'll be bringing more of other festival activities, carnivals, wrestling, and other cultural activities for you. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button to support our channel. Thank you.